Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Calculus problems like this integral of x times g double prime of x are actually super fast to solve using integration by parts. Let's go. First, we apply integration by parts where u equals x and dv equals g double prime of x dx. This gives us x times g prime of x minus another integral. Now we evaluate the first part from 0 to 3 and integrate g prime of x to get g of x. This leaves us with a simple expression to calculate. Plug in the values for g and g prime at 0 and 3. We get 18 minus 5 plus 2, which equals 15. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and trust given values to avoid a rush.